How to use the motion track and make the camera follow you. First of all, open CapCut and after that tap on a new project and I will add this project. Tap on add button and from here I have this video. I will trim this video because I don't want long video, and after that I will delete the CapCut watermark. And if I want to make the camera follow the football object, what I will do is I will add text from here and add text, and from here you need to add the dot button from here, this dot, and tap on next. And from here I will tap on the style option and I will make it bigger from here, and I will change the color to the red, a little bit bigger, and I will put it here and tap on next. And after that I will make it extend from here on all the video from the timeline, and after that get back from the beginning, from the start. And from here what you need to do is to tap on the video from the timeline and add keyframe from here, and after that slide this a little bit. And now we need to make the football follow the dot from here, as you see, and move the timeline a little bit and make it again follow the red dot, the red object, and he will automatically add keyframes for you, as you see, and make it follow again from here and do it again from here as well. You just make it follow the object in the red color. And after you complete all of these things, you can add many keyframes and delete this timeline in the red, the text, delete it because we don't need it anymore. And I will play the video to see together. And as you see, he's follow the camera, he's following the football object as we did. And pretty much that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.